Yeah, so what's up, guys? Mike Guitar is back with another episode of lesson for today. Okay, right. So for today's lesson, I'm going to show you, how to use your major pentatonic and your minor pentatonic in your soloing. Okay, whenever you're soloing, I want to show you how to use your major pentatonic. So before then, if you know that this is your first time watching my video, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this. All right, guys. If you like the video, you can smash the like button. Okay, if you have any challenges, you can hit it on the comment section. I will give you the reply. All right, guys. So I just want to make this video very simple and clear. Okay, there are some tricks I want to open up to you guys that you don't need to skip any part of this video. Just watch it to the end. Okay, so you don't miss any part of it. Okay, the first tricks I'm going to show you there is the connection between the keys and the pentatonic. Okay, which is if you play your G major, D major, E minor, and C major. Okay. Okay, so what I'm playing there is a G major to the D major, go to the E minor, then a C major. Okay, that is a 1, 5, 6, and the 4. Just like playing, this is the key of G. That is the key of G on the 3rd fret. This is the key of D on the 4th string, okay? And this is the key of C on the 3rd string. This is the key of D on the 3rd string, okay? On the 3rd string. Then the key of E, okay, on the 3rd string also. And we have it here again on the 2nd string. Okay, this is the key of E. So that is the key of E. So I've shown you the key of G, C, D, and E. Okay, now let's see how we can, combine these 4 keys and have a good melody. Okay, and have a good melody. So I want to play this backing track for you to understand, for you to hear, and how I'm going to solo it. Okay. Your 5. Your 6, your 4, 4, there, the progression there is from the one, do, okay, so, la, so on this shape you can play like this, do, so, now for those people, those of you that can understand this other shape. Okay, so now this is the connection between the scale. Okay, the scale is playing do, I play. You know your pentatonic scale there is form of the 5 note, which is the do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay. Okay, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la. Okay. So anywhere you see your sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay, it's all formed from the pentatonic. Okay, you can use you can get your pentatonic shape and in that sequence or on that position. Just like this is the key of D. You have do, re, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, we have the sol, la, ti, sol, la, do, re, mi. So you can start from sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, okay, do, re, mi. So now the song is a do. Now going to the song chord, which is the key of D. You have your D here. Okay, you have your D, key of D here. Okay. Now going to your D. Okay, this is your key of D. Now on this key of D, you have your own pentatonic again. Okay. Okay. D is a major, the sol chord there is a major chord. Okay, is a major chord, which is a sol. Okay, so your D, you can play your major pentatonic there. Okay, so now when you play from the sol, now going to your sol chord. Okay, now you have your sol. You can play something like okay, now in that key of G, this is the key of G, original key there. You can play sol, do, ti, la, sol, mi, sol, la. Okay. Okay. You have your sol, and that key of D, that should be do, fa, mi, re, do, la, do, re. If you want to play it in the key of D. Okay. You want to play in the key of D. Do, la, do, fa, mi, re, do, la, do, re. But in the key of G is you are having sol, do, ti, la, sol, mi, sol, la. To the la chord, which is the E minor. Okay, you can play. Now when you are playing, okay, you have your, this is the key of E. Now you are going to your E minor, which is the la in the key of G. Okay, you are going to the E minor now. You play. Okay, because the E is a minor note. Understand? The la there is a minor note, so it's going to be E minor. So you now play do, re, mi, sol. Okay, you play do, mo. Okay, you play do, mo. Do, mo, fa, sol, do, do, do. Okay, do, mo, fa, sol, do, do. Okay. when you now play, okay, now play lazy. So now that is solver, just like going for your vowel chord now. Okay, you play just like going your vowel chord. That is your C, key of C. So, okay, or you can play on the third string. Okay, you can play like that. Okay, that is simply where you can understand how to connect your pentatonic shape and you know how to solo, okay, over pentatonic shape. So when you play, okay, do, sol, la, do, re, mi. Now go into your song. Go to your song. Okay. Okay. When you play your okay, go into your E minor now. You play. Sorry. Now you are playing mi, sol, la, do. Okay. Mi, sol, la, do, ti, la, sol, fa. Now your vowel chord now, which is your major, which is your C major. Okay, that is your C major. So that is how you can start understanding the relationship, how to solo over progressions. Okay, every progression is just the 1, 5, 6, and 4. Understand, you can drop it on the comment section and I will give you the reply, okay, as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next in the next video.